starting it with another round of rain showers here. One thing to point out, though, as I just mentioned, it's daylight. That's one nice thing about going back to standard time is that that sunrise is an hour earlier. If you're an early riser, it just means it also sets an hour earlier, of course. 51 degrees right now in Eugene. Winds around the southeast at about 9 miles per hour. Pressure's high, but that's going to be dropping throughout the day as the storm system is on the way. Already seeing those scattered showers here all across western Oregon, and those are going to stick with us pretty light, but pretty consistent off and on all the way through this evening. Right now, we've seen that rain for about 2 hours steady here in Eugene. Drier weather as you head into Douglas County and out along the coast in Coos County. So far, we picked up 1/10 of an inch here in Eugene over the past 24 hours. So that does include the showers there from yesterday. The most that we see here in western Oregon, though, is Newport, picking up over 1/2 of an inch of rain just in the past 24 hours. Also seeing about 1/10 as you head across Sandium Pass, which has all switched back to rain. No threat of snow. It's just too warm. The coolest spot in western Oregon is right here in Eugene at 51. Similar conditions in Roseburg. Heading east to the Cascades down to 39 this morning in Sun River, and then seeing those mid-50s all the way down the Oregon coast. As a warm front moves up from the southwest, it is actually going to warm us up even further this afternoon, but we'll continue to see cloudy skies and those showers off and on all the way through this afternoon. Once we get into tonight and early tomorrow morning, we're going to see the second half of this storm, which is a cold front. Out ahead of that, later on tonight, we're going to see some stronger winds, mainly just for the coast. Could see gusts up to about 45 miles per hour. Otherwise, we'll see some heavier rain there early tomorrow morning with showers continuing through Tuesday afternoon. Once we get through that, we get a break between storms. Wednesday will be dry before we see another round of rain moving in on Thursday. Stormcasts again showing the rain showers off and on here today. Most of the actions to the north of us today. That's where you see those yellows and oranges, but we'll get a taste of that as we head into late tonight, overnight into early tomorrow morning. You can see widespread heavier rain to start Tuesday with those showers continuing off and on here into Tuesday night. And then we get a nice little dry break looking out to the Pacific. Not much else to show you until we get to Thursday. We'll see another round of rain Thursday night. For those of you along the coast today, your high temperatures upper 50s and low 60s, so rather mild. Those showers through tonight. Again, those winds will pick up. Could see those gusts as high as 45 miles per hour out on the beach. In town, we're talking about 35 miles per hour, and then we'll transition to a heavier rain overnight. For the Umpqua Basin, it's low 60s for you, dropping into the 40s overnight. Also seeing those scattered showers off and on. Winds will be light for you and otherwise pretty mild. If you are traveling through the Cascades today or any day this week, do not have to worry about any frozen precipitation or sub-freezing temperatures, only dropping into the upper 30s overnight, otherwise mid-40s during the day with those showers off and on. For those of you in Central Oregon, it's low to mid-50s for high temperatures today, dropping down into the low 40s overnight. You'll see just a few isolated showers, otherwise mostly cloudy. And for the Willamette Valley, it's back to about 60 degrees for us here today. Again, light showers off and on, otherwise mostly cloudy and just a little bit warmer for us here today. Here's that 7-day forecast for those of you along the coast. Check out Wednesday. A few morning clouds, but sunny into the afternoon with those highs back to the mid to upper 60s. We'll see another round of rain Thursday night, but then dry Friday all the way through Sunday. You also get those dry breaks on Wednesday and again this weekend for the Umpqua Basin, 70 degrees for you midweek. For the Cascades, staying in the 50s during the day, upper 30s and low 40s overnight. And for the Willamette Valley, again, upper 50s for us. We'll see scattered showers off and on today and tomorrow. Dry and much warmer Wednesday. A little bit of rain Thursday night, and then there's that weekend. It's rare in November to get a completely dry weekend with highs in the low 60s, but that is the case for us.
Is it too early to start looking forward to the weekend? It's only Monday.
Maybe just, yeah, I think we have to get to Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah.